June 10th at Everyman Theater in Baltimore. Tickets at everymantheater.org.
Trending tonight, the NFL draft.
Yeah. Do that again. Yeah, the Ravens. I mean, the first half was really quiet for the Ravens, but then at the end it was like, hello, big pickup.
With the 32nd pick in the 2018 NFL Draft, the Baltimore Ravens select Lamar Jackson, quarterback.
And there he is, Lamar Jackson,
There he is.
QB, the Heisman Trophy winner out of Louisville. Right after being drafted 32nd in the draft, Jackson told a reporter, quote, "Ravens gonna get a Super Bowl out of me, believe that."
I like that.
And we certainly hope so, Lamar. The Ravens traded back to get 2 first-round picks. They also picked up tight end Hayden Hurst out of South Carolina at number 25.
Wow, big night, big night. Okay, Mamma Mia, here we go again. ABBA has recorded 2 new songs, the first material in 35 years. I know you're excited about
I
that.
am ecstatic.
The Swedish pop supergroup announced the news on Instagram. One of the songs is entitled "I Still Have Faith in You." ABBA had some mega hits, of course, back in the 70s at Waterloo, Dancing Queen, before splitting up in 1982. It seems like they were together longer than that.
I can only imagine.
I know you can. The band has a TV special planned for later this year where they will perform the new song as holograms. I don't quite get that, but we'll just see what that means. No date is set yet, but it will be on NBC.
You seem really excited about that.
I actually like ABBA.
What's your favorite song? Dancing Queen? I could see you. Mamma Mia?
I don't know. Maybe I don't have. Maybe I'm not that big of a fan. I don't know. Still to come on 11 News at 5:30. First came George, then Charlotte. Now their baby brother has a name. The meaning behind the naming of Britain's new bundle of royal joy.
Love it. Plus, the big winners of the Winter Games assemble at the White House. Why President Trump says the entire world should be thanking these super troopers.
How do you want to live?